new Schrade SC90B. As you see from the close-ups before, it's the one side with the clip on it. We've got the other side with your release button and the safety lock. I think definitely I like safety lock on. There is physically no play in that blade at all. I mean, even unlocked, there's no play in it at all. But I like that added feature of turning on and slipping the lock up. You know, in case you did hit the button by mistake. As you can see, it's in the safety lock. You see right here your button, and you push the button in. You can see it disengages to allow the blade to come down. I don't know how well that's coming out in the video, but if you move the safety lock up, it actually gauges that button. So in your hand, you know, if you're left-handed or whatever, you're not accidentally going to push that button and have the blade lock down on you. Definitely very sharp out of the box. Nice sized lanyard hole on the end. And you could turn on and put through a lanyard if you like. And then of course the pocket clip. Now on the pocket clip, it's attached via the glass breaker that you have on the end. So you know, in your hand, if you had to, in a vehicle or something like that, an emergency, had to get out, you've got something to turn on it and break your window. And you can, the option with the clip, just by unscrewing the glass breaker a bit, you can actually position the clip on the other side. So you can position the clip on the other side if you like. The one thing I do like about it is I find on that side it tends to interfere with your hand on the handle. But the cool thing with it is that on the opposite side, so positioning it on the opposite side, I find that even in your hand, the blade is open, it does not interfere at all, and it kind of adds that extra little grip at the back with your pinky that's on it. A little bit of jimping on the scales themselves and then on the blade is a nice part. I like with the swoop that's on the blade as well. It gives you nice control that, you know, definitely if you want to use for skinning or something. As an EDC knife, I would have to say that this blade has got it all. It covers a lot. So, been using it now for about 2 weeks. I'm going to continue using it so far. I'm very impressed with it. I like it. It's nice and light and weight. Definitely at the end of this video, I'll turn around and put in all the specs of the blade again. Like I say, it's the Schrade SC90B, the AUS 8 steel. There is a version that you can turn around and get, which is the SC90BS, and it turns around on the bottom part of the blade here. You have a small section on the blade that'll turn around and have serrations in it. Definitely, you know, some people like that, some people don't. My personal preference, serrations for us here where I am in the East Coast is great if you're turning on and cutting like things a lot like marine grade rope and everything else. It's nice to have that serration on there, but overall, not really need it. And just the shape, like I say once again, kind of close out everything with the blade. I just love the feel of it in the hand. A really good all around, you know, if you want to carry a small pocket knife, it gives you that versatility of, you know, little odd jobs that you need to do, as well as for skinning. It just fits perfectly in the hand as far as a skinning knife. So definitely use it some more, and later on down the road we'll give it another full review. Like I say, we've only been using it now for about 2 weeks, and definitely looking, like I say, price point, it's not a bad little price point either. Last time I checked, I believe the selling price online averages about $40, so it's not a deep pocket knife for as far as spending wise, and does all the jobs we need to do. So once again, Peter from Fsbushcraft. I'll take care. See you in the next one. God bless.